Myself, Rakesh Sharma. I was suffering from severe attack of frozen shoulder and L4, L5 pain. I was suffering very severely. And I had gone through many medical treatments such as allopathy, Ayurvedic, allopathy, many kind of treatment I had gone through. But I can't get relief anywhere. And then somebody told me about this Neelam therapy. Then I had tried here, and since 15 days I have gone through their treatment, and totally I got cured with this frozen shoulder and L3, L4 this treatment. And I am totally satisfied with this, and I wish everyone should try once who all are suffering from such kind of diseases. Thank you.